In July, I turned $500 into $29,000, all from Upwork. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I did it, my Connects breakdown, and in full transparency, I do this every single month. If you've been following the channel for a while, you'll see that every single month I do a breakdown of how much money I made, the clients that I closed, some interesting lessons, and especially like the Connects to money made breakdown. And if you don't already know, my name's Ryan. All we talk about on this YouTube channel is Upwork, freelancing, landing big ass clients on the platform. And if you haven't already subscribed, you definitely should, because I'm the main guy for Upwork related content on YouTube. But let's jump in. So yeah, obviously July 2026, like I said, we turned $504 to be precise into $29,135. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to share my screen here, and you're going to be able to see the actual full breakdown on this, dirty MacBook. So let's jump into transactions. And actually, while we're still here, just to clarify as well, we still have like $10,000 here, work in progress. It's actually more than that. Some of the milestones haven't been funded, and we have $6,129 on the way, but I'll show that as well. So if we go here, firstly, what I'll do is I'll show you the Connects. So this month, as you can see, we made $29,135, but actually we made a lot more than that because it's not factoring in this $1,201 and that $4,928, which is that amount that I just showed here, 6,000 whatever, minus the Upwork fees. So really, technically, I should have really said in the video $35,000 in that month. And by the way, you won't have seen this yet, but I have a video coming out showing how I made over $120,000 this month in July and over 100K in one day. And I'm going to do a full breakdown of that as well. So this is just on Upwork earnings. It doesn't include like referrals, clients that I have outside of Upwork, cold email, LinkedIn, and all of the other ways that we're using to get clients. But obviously this is Upwork channel, so I want to keep it focused on Upwork. But yeah, 29K, and then obviously these two payments as well, which are still pending because I literally just cleared them today. And then if we look at just Connects, as you can see, $504, which is pretty crazy. Like we spent $504 and we made what, 35K? So 57X, I think it's actually higher now that it's 35K, I guess. And let's go through like some of the deals that we closed and like kind of show you what that looks like. But actually first, what we'll do is I'll actually show you my stats. So as you can see, this is my stats and trends. If we look at profile metrics, I'll go to last 30 days. So we had 5,000 profile views, which is pretty good. By the way, I'm going to show you a crazy number here. We have 25,000 profile views in 2026. I guarantee there's not a single other person on YouTube who talks about Upwork that can prove that they have anywhere close to this amount of views. Impossible. I guarantee it. If I do, I'll send you like $50. All right? I'll send you $100. It's impossible. Like there's no way somebody's doing it. Last 30 days, only 16 invites. However, I've come to realize that Upwork is not showing this information correctly. Right now that I'm using some additional tools, it's like impossible that this is correct. Most of the messages that you're getting from inbound, like boosting and things like that, they're coming with DMs. Like you're going to get a direct message. I'll show an example actually on this thing right now. So yeah, like as an example, like this guy just sent me like a direct contract, right? Or even a DM. And Upwork isn't factoring in the fact that some people will invite, some people will DM, and some people will just send a direct contract. And those things are not logged in the My Stats section. So my stats right now is like pretty terrible. I wish and like pray to Upwork that they would fix this because it's hard to run a business without having full clarity on the data. And that's obviously why I've provided things like tracking sheets on this YouTube channel. If you haven't already checked that out, you should. Anyway, and let's look at the last 30 days clicks. We had 62 clicks. Again, I think it's a bit higher than that. But you don't need like a crazy amount of clicks and you don't need a crazy amount of invites to make a bunch of money with Upwork. If you have a targeted Upwork profile and you have good messaging and you respond quickly to clients, you don't need a lot of leads. Right? Like even like a 5 or 10% conversion ratio, you're going to make a bunch of money like I did, right? So that's my stats. And as you can see in the last 30 days, I actually did start sending some proposals because I'm about to bring out a little proposal course on this YouTube channel for you guys because you guys keep asking for it. So I've been testing some things out. I sent 100 proposals. I had 22 that were viewed, 7 interviews and 1 hire. So that was cool. And by the way, the 1 hire, I'll just show you that, was for $8,000. And it was right here. I just closed them. Yep. 8,000, 2,400 as the milestone, but it's 8,000 total. You can see it right here if I click on it. There you go. 2,400, 2,000, 2,000, 1.6. That's 8,000, I think. So yeah, things are going well. Some other deals that we closed this deal here for 4,500. This isn't actually even showing up in the statistics, right? So we closed this on the 21st of July, but this milestone hasn't been released yet. Again, I could lie on this YouTube channel and say, I got the $4,500 client, but it hasn't paid yet, so I'm not going to show that. But there's so many deals like this that are in the pipeline that I just can't show. You know, like, for example, there's that one. Even this one, for example, this one is for 9,500, but they've only just cleared milestone 1. I could come on here and be like, I closed a $10,000 client, but I didn't technically get paid yet, so it's in the pipeline, right? But yeah, that's the kind of like main update for July. You know, like I said, we made about 35K from this. We made like over 100K this month, and I can't wait for you guys to watch a video. I swear to God, the video that's coming out for the month of July is going to probably be like one of the craziest videos that's ever been made on YouTube for Upwork. And if you're wondering like, oh, well, did you buy some before the end of the month? I'll actually just I'll just show you. So last month we spent $1,800 on Upwork Connects, but as you can see, like those were from June 18th, so I'd already spent those by the time that I got to July, and then first payment on July was on the 19th of July. So I really didn't do that much. Like I didn't do that many. I really didn't spend that much in the grand scheme of things this month to make all this money. So the profile is slowly becoming more optimized, better. And if you want to get kind of similar results to this, or you want me to help you, guide you and help you and so on, first and foremost, you should just watch the YouTube channel because there's a bunch of free advice on here. But if you do want more one-to-one help, obviously you can click the link below. It's an application only because I have so many people that apply every single month. I literally can't do like sales calls anymore because we actually have too many people that are applying. So just apply and then somebody on my team will reach out to you. But to be honest, a lot of the great information is here on the YouTube channel. If you want some specific advice, I would urge you to watch the checklist video on my YouTube channel. That's a free like 30-minute course. Watch the free boosting course. You guys loved that. It's like one of my most best videos. I posted it like a week ago. And the 7 days to get started on Upwork video. That will help you a lot. But yeah, that's just the July update. I do these every single month just to show you transparently how much I'm making, how things are going. And actually, I'll show you one other thing. So far in like from the 1st of like 2026, actually from November technically till now, we've made $526,000, $35,000 in Upwork fees, 250K of that is towards my team. My profit margin is 53%, and we still have $100,000 in remaining balance in profit for me, and over $240,000 in revenue. So yeah, we're about $2,000 a day basically. But yeah, that's the update. Hope that's helpful, and I'll see you in August for the next income report. Peace.